There is a possible new treatment for autism. Parents say their children have become more verbal and responsive after taking an inexpensive, that is, generic drug. Jonathan Seri has details from Atlanta.
Oren, good morning.
Home videos show how Oren used to interact with his mom.
What did you just spell? What did you spell just now?
As with many autism patients, Oren has trouble absorbing folic acid, which is essential for brain development.
Ooh, you have a great heart.
Child neurologist Dr. Richard Fry has been testing the generic drug leucovorin as a way of helping the nutrient get through to the brain, and says many patients see significant improvements in their language skills.
It's not just talking, but what we found in our testing is that they were able to understand language in a more complicated fashion and understand the social nuances of language.
It's 100 on the 3-digit number.
Oren, who turned 5 shortly after starting the medication, began showing changes. Within days, his mom says,
High five!
Immediately, he went home, he saw his reflection in the window, and he said, "Mom, I see my shadow in the window." And that was the first observation he had ever brought to our attention. It was just life-changing from then on.
The FDA approved leucovorin in 1952 to reduce the side effects of certain cancer treatments. It's been on the market so long, it's inexpensive, giving pharmaceutical companies less incentive to invest in the large clinical trials needed to obtain regulatory approval for leucovorin to improve communication in children with autism. For that use, doctors have to prescribe it off-label, the unapproved use of an approved drug.
Most doctors will only prescribe what's FDA approved. So one of our goals is to get a very good quality FDA approved leucovorin that's just for children with autism, that's safe and effective.
Dr. Fry has published his findings in peer-reviewed studies and a book, but he hopes for additional outside research to confirm and expand on what may be a promising new treatment for children with autism. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.